Hello, today we will guide you through how to send bulk emails with Outlook. To begin, open Outlook Mail in your web browser and make sure you are on the main mail page. This is where you'll create and manage your message. If Outlook is already open, just confirm that you're in the mail section before moving on. Starting from the correct page helps avoid confusion, especially since Outlook includes several tools like Calendar and Contacts. Once you're on the mail screen, look to the top left area and click New. This opens the options for creating something new in Outlook. If you see multiple choices appear, that's expected. Outlook sometimes groups different item types under the New button, so the next step is simply choosing the correct one. From those options, click Mail. This opens a fresh email draft where you can begin setting up your bulk message. At this stage, you're creating the message that will be sent to multiple recipients, so it's important to be in a standard email compose window. Next, find the Send drop-down in the draft window. Rather than clicking the main Send button right away, select the drop-down arrow attached to it. This gives you access to additional sending options. One of those options is specifically designed for sending the same message to multiple people in a more organized way. From the drop-down menu, click Start Mail Merge. This is the feature Outlook uses to help you send bulk emails. Mail Merge is useful when you want to contact several recipients while keeping the process more efficient. Depending on your Outlook setup, this tool may allow you to prepare a message for multiple contacts without manually creating separate emails one by one. After that, enter the sample emails in the recipient area as needed. Make sure each email address is added correctly, since even a small typo can prevent delivery. If you're working with a longer list, it's a good idea to double-check formatting before continuing. Accurate recipient details are especially important in bulk email sends because a mistake can affect multiple contacts at once. And that's the basic process for starting a bulk email in Outlook using the Mail Merge option. Take a moment to review everything in your draft before sending, including the recipients and the message content, so your email goes out smoothly. With these steps, you can quickly set up a bulk email directly from Outlook in a simple and organized way.